Save big on your next Temu purchase with an exclusive coupon code and a $100 coupon bundle. This video will guide you through the process of claiming and using these money-saving offers on Temu's wide range of products. To get started, you'll need to access the Temu website or app. You can do this by clicking a special link or scanning a QR code, which will automatically apply the $100 coupon bundle to your account. Once you're on the Temu platform, you'll see a page where you can claim your coupon bundle. Applying the coupon code is simple. Enter the code displayed on your screen during checkout to unlock additional savings on your purchase. This code works in conjunction with the coupon bundle, maximizing your discounts. Temu is currently running a major sale, offering steep discounts on many items. By combining these sale prices with your coupon code and bundle, you'll enjoy significant savings on your favorite products. Simply browse the Temu catalog and click on the item you want. You'll immediately see the discounted price, which may be up to 85% off the original price for a limited time. Even after special offers end, your coupon code will still provide substantial savings. To complete your purchase, add your chosen items to your cart, enter your shipping details, and apply your coupon code. Then finalize your order and enjoy your discounted Temu products. Don't miss this opportunity to save on Temu's vast selection of items. Take your time to explore the catalog and find the best deals for you. Happy shopping and enjoy your savings on Temu.